What if I were to tell you every movie you've ever seen follows the same 3-act structure? In its simplest form, every movie is divided into 3 parts. Act 1. This is where your hero begins their journey. They're taken from a normal life and order and thrown into adventure. For example, Johnny gets stuck in a tree. Act 2. This is where your hero faces obstacles and challenges that they constantly must overcome. Johnny is now in the tree and people throw rocks at him. Act 3. Your hero overcomes their obstacle and has changed for the better. The journey they've been forced to go on has made them a different person. Johnny comes down from the tree and has changed for the better. Order is restored and your hero saves the day. The world goes back to normal, but your hero remains changed. To put this into context, we'll use Star Wars Episode 4. In the beginning, Luke is just a farmer's son sipping on blue milk, doing his thing. His biggest problem right now is trying to get power converters from Tosche Station.
But I was going into Tosche Station to pick up some power converters.
He gets a message from Princess Leia saying that she needs help. This is his call to action. This sets him on his hero's journey. In Act 2, Luke's learning the ways of the Force. He's battling stormtroopers, including that one that hits his head. He saves Princess Leia, swings across a canyon. And by Act 3, he's blown up the Death Star. He's completely changed from this space farmer to a Jedi Knight, and he saves the day. And remember, when you're writing a story, conflict and change are key.